Tired of water in your basement or crawl space? Trust Finally Dry Waterproofing's family-owned company to fix it right. They install permanent drainage solutions guaranteed for 2 ownerships with no year limit. Get your free inspection today at www.finallydrywaterproofing.net or call 856-491-2228.
If you felt that it was very humid this weekend, then you would be 100% right. In fact, it was as humid here at the Jersey Shore as it was deep in the Amazon rainforest. The dew point recorded by the Atlantic City Airport was 75 degrees, which matches up with the same observation at Manaus in the state of Amazonas in the country of Brazil. 75 degrees. To put that into context, here that is 9 degrees above average for the month of August, whereas in Brazil, very run-of-the-mill, just your average Tuesday. Speaking of Tuesday, the current day, we have a marginal risk out, level 1 out of 5 for Cape May, Cumberland, and Atlantic counties, or at least parts of Atlantic County. This map may be updated, and it might even have changed by the time you view this video, so make sure you look at the Storm Prediction Center website if you're curious about that. This model does show the line of storms deforming and moving south before hitting our area. I would not be surprised at all if this model missed 1 or 2 storms that might impact the Jersey Shore areas. Wednesday, we see some better modeled showers, but I don't think they'll necessarily be the powerful storms that are potentially in the cards for today. The threat that I'm most worried about is wind. A moderate risk. I say that we have some windbags in the atmosphere that could potentially cause a downburst with some dry air aloft. Hail, up to 1 inch if at all. Tornadoes, I really don't see it. Maybe a water spout or 2 is not off the table, but the wind shear is just not well aligned for tornadoes today. Flooding, rain, scattered flooding possible. Can't really tune out the possibility just given how much rain we've had in the area. Looking at our forecast for today, 90 degrees, or just a little bit below that, will be our high temperature inland. Mid to high 80s on the barrier islands of the Jersey Shore. Now, we do get a break from this humidity, but we're going to have to wait until Friday into Saturday. We see those lower relative humidity readings. You saw it right there. Now, keep in mind, this particular map is for the whole of the atmosphere, not just the surface. But still, the story is the same. We shouldn't have a ton of rain threat on Saturday. You see, Sunday, we're right on the precipice of a dry air mass and a moist air mass, and that is the impetus for some storms that could potentially impact things on Sunday. So if you have to go to the beach, I'd recommend going Saturday, also just because of how dry it'll be. But Sunday, you should still have plenty of dry time to work with. Besides that, backtracking a little bit, I'd say Thursday night would be our next chance to get some real good thunderstorms, and then isolated showers could potentially cause problems for people on Friday, but by no means will it be a washout. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.